Ava, do you love your baby brother?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Is he cute? What's he doing? Is he making faces? Yeah. Oh, he's looking at you. Oh, he's talking to you. Is he gonna smile? Hey, bud, can you smile for your sister? Oh, I think I just... There. Hey, smiley, smiley boy. Smiley, smiley girl. Oh, hey, bud. Can you smile? You were just talking. Can you smile for your sister? Oh, oh. What's he doing, Ava? He makes some funny faces, huh? There's a smile. Oh.